Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a different type of video. I'm doing a pack with me video. I am in 2 weeks, not even this weekend, but the following weekend. So it's Thursday the 11th. I'm going to be flying out to visit my friend Shannon in Minnesota for just a long weekend. I'll be arriving midday on Thursday and she's dropping me off at the crack of dawn on Sunday. So it's just a couple days and I am a chronic overpacker and I plan to do shopping there with her. So I have to be really careful with what I pack. Plus I had to pay for my carry-on. So I only have one carry-on that I'm bringing. This is gonna be hard for me. So I thought I'd bring you along on this journey and show you what I was planning on, and then you guys can also give me suggestions what's to ditch, and she's also gonna watch this video and also give me suggestions too. Because when I asked her, she wasn't much help. I said, should I bring skirts and dresses? She goes, yes, yes. I said, shorts and tops? Yes, yes. So it's like, bring everything, all right? Now, one thing to note is that I got Shannon addicted to Orange Theory Fitness. So she also is an avid gym person too. So we both plan to do Orange Theory together on Friday and Saturday when I'm there. All right, so let's start going over this, what I plan to wear for the gym and everything else. So on flying day, I plan to wear these light wash blue jeans, okay? This black LNA top that's kind of sexy, but it's a tank style top and it's crisscross in the front, but I'm gonna be wearing this tan jacket over it, all right? And because have a limited amount to wear, most of my stuff is neutral that can be mixed and matched, most of it. I got a couple things that are a little bit, have some color. But I wanted it to be minimalistic and neutral because I'm limited to my bags. So the jacket is by Cut from the Cloth. I got this from Ever Eve. Shannon actually sent this LNA tank to me in a Stitch Fix, and I really do like it, and I haven't worn it yet this summer. And the jeans she also sent me from Cosmic Blue Love. And I guess you don't need to know about my underwear and my bra, but yes, I'm bringing those too, obviously. So this will be flying day and my first day there. Okay, I don't know if she has any plans for us on Thursday night or not, but Friday, first thing in the morning or 7 in the morning, we're gonna go to the gym. So with the gym, here I got everything packed. I have my leggings, my trusty Lululemon, I think they're called the Fast and the Free running leggings. I have my favorite sports bra in the world, the Victoria's Secret Knockout bra. I have a pair of black underwear. Which are Soma, again, I only wear the Soma underwear, the ones that are bikini and have the invisible line in the back so you don't see any panty lines. And my feature socks, which are my favorite socks, and a cropped Lululemon tank, but because I'm a shorty, it's not cropped on me. It's just right. It hits at my hips and doesn't get in my way when I'm running. So that is going to be on Thursday at the gym. On Friday for the gym, same thing, underwear, black underwear, another pair of feature socks, a black bra that again, Victoria's Secret, the Knockout bra, and then this black tank that she actually just sent me from Stitch Fix that I really like. It's We Wander, and I asked her for my next upcoming stitch. I said, I really like that one, so she can send more of these, Shannon. I like these tops. I'm convinced that this might be made from Threads for Thought because it seems to have that kind of same material. Like it a lot. Again, it's a crop, but again, none on me. It hits me at my hips and then doesn't get in the way when I try and run. Often tops that are regular for average size people, they end up being like tunics on me and it doesn't make running very easy. And again, my Lululemon, my Fast, and my Free leggings. Sometimes I can refer to these as my Fast and my Furious. All right, so I am gonna put these all into a packing cube and see how this works. And we're gonna put this in the bottom part of my bag, which I'll show you my bag in just a minute. Matter of fact, let me move over here just a bit so you can actually see what I'm doing here. Okay, obviously packing on camera isn't as easy as I expected, so I turned it off to save some time and pack things in the packing cube for my workout clothes. So the bottom of this bag, now this bag is by Base and I got it from Nordstrom. I also have an Amazon bag similar to this, but it's an Amazon bag and this is much more bougie. So I like this one better because it's bougie. This one has I really recommend either or though, the bags. It has the bottom that can keep your clothes separate. And this is typically where I put my shoes. I have a pair of shoes in here already in a Stitch Fix bag. These are my running shoes. And these are all my workout clothes that I packed in a packing cube that I got also from Amazon. Highly recommend the packing cubes. They do seem to save space. This is going right here in the bottom part with the shoes. Two things that I'm also going to pack are 2 gym towels as well too. So those are going right here in the bottom. Also, I forgot to mention, on the day I'm flying, I'm going to be wearing these tan Dolce Vita sneakers, okay? These are very comfortable. These are the Zenith sneakers, and I pretty much bring these anywhere I go on vacation. They're just in a tan color. They'll go with the tan jacket, the black tank, and the light wash jeans. For my return to come home, I plan on wearing the same jeans. As I said, I'm leaving crack of dawn in the morning, so it probably won't be my whole outfit for the day. I'll probably shower the night before. And I'll probably just change my top and obviously my bra, underwear, and socks, and wear this Michael Stars little t-shirt on the way back. So this is kind of like a mock neck, very comfortable, very stretchy, and yeah, great for the plane, and I need that jacket to keep me warm on the plane. Now, for nighttime wear, which I'll pack next, or actually I should say the next day. The next day, we're probably just going to be going shopping. I'm going to pack a pair of cut from the cloth jean shorts that I got last summer from Ever Eve, and this little white boho style top that's like in a cotton fabric that I got from a Wantable probably like 4 years ago, a long time ago. So it's just a basic like cotton or cottonish boho style top. One of the things besides shopping that we're going to do, she has a lot of lakes in her area, and we are just definitely going kayaking or canoeing. So I have a bathing suit, and I also have, what else did I bring? I think that was it, just a bathing suit. The next day on Saturday, we're gonna be also doing more shopping and maybe take a long walk around the lake. I got another short outfit, give me a second and I'll show you that. So, again, underwear, socks. I decided to bring along this little black one-shoulder top. All right, this is not, this is very nylon-y, all right? It's not extremely breathable, but I don't think Minnesota is all that hot. This is by, this is a name I can't say, Enemy Designs, and I got this from a Front Door Fashion. I have a one-shoulder sports bra to wear with it, and I have a pair of tan loft shorts. Again, the tan to go with the tan sneakers if we're doing walking. Black, olive, white. I'm doing all neutral colors. All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna pack my 2 daytime outfits into a packing cube and show you how I do that. Okay, up next I have a 1 nighttime outfit. This is a Michael Stars stretchy tank dress. I thought this is good because it was black, but you might say, Carolyn, what about your shoes? You only packing sneakers so far, running shoes and the tan shoes. Well, it's gonna have to be casual, and I'm gonna bring these neutral pair of Sam Edelman slides. And the reason for that is I just don't have a lot of room to pack. And again, if it's chilly in the restaurant or whatever, I'm wearing the tan jacket over it. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the next nighttime outfit. Okay, the next nighttime outfit, again, it's nothing so fancy, but it is a denim skirt that I got from White House Black Market. And with it, I'm going to pair this Ever Eve bright fuchsia top with it. It's eyelet, it's 100% cotton. I do have to wear a half cami underneath it. And yeah, this is cute. I think this is a little bit of color just thrown in to give some variety to my looks. And if I wanted to, I can wear the Michael Stars olive top, or I can, mix it up. It's no requirement. I think everything else I have is so neutral, things can mix and match with each other. Let me know your thoughts. All right, give me a minute and I'll pack up the rest of my stuff. Okay, these are all my daytime and nighttime outfits in this one little bag. And these are my 1 pair of pajamas and a bathing suit. And all this is gonna have to fit in the top portion of this, right in here, along with my toiletries. And I need to get another shoe bag for the Sam Edelman slides, which will go in the bottom. And that is it. That is all I'm packing for this long weekend, and everything will fit in this bag. Let me know your thoughts below. Did I do a good job? Can I minimalize it even more? Or am I underpacking? Keep in mind, we plan on doing quite a bit of shopping. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me that thumbs up. And take care until next time.